Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you've got sugar shims on, you need to get them off. Had to pull 3 full-length combs running from front to back out of that one, and this one is going around the sugar. Just a little quick tip video. It is March the 18th. They're drawing combs, so you need to get frames in there for them to draw. Got a whole truckload of them. All I got to do is just pull this sugar out, find a place to put it for a while. Like that one right there. Just wind has blew that over. It's got a bunch of bees on it. Shake them off and be happy. That's it for your quick tip of the day. Because they're drawing drone comb, and I guarantee you, let's see. No, there's no eggs in that. Let's keep looking. There are drones in that. There's eggs, a couple of little larvae. I don't know how well the camera's picking up, but if you can see the glistening down in there, that's royal jelly, and there's eggs in there. All right, guys, get to it. Have a good one.